Hi there, I'm Bobby Moore, and after transforming many homes in my 30-year career, I'm here to share something incredible with you. Did you know that there are a whopping 53% of homeowners are planning to update and renovate their homes in 2025? That's right, that is a lot of homes. And we are all curious about what's the latest and greatest before we start knocking down walls and slinging a sledgehammer. And since we're at the start of 2025, I thought I'd put together a list of some items that seem to be making a comeback in some cases, or are new additions due to changing times. Take the ones you like, leave the rest behind. You know, when I started in the industry 3 decades ago, we were still using paper blueprints and basic power tools. Well, we're still using the basic power tools. But now, though, we're living in an era where your home can literally think for itself. The integration of smart home technology isn't just a luxury anymore, it's becoming the standard. We're seeing AI-powered home systems that can predict your comfort needs before you even realize them. Imagine walking into your kitchen and your coffee maker starts brewing because it knows your morning routine. That's not science fiction, it's 2025. But here's what really excites me, the rise of eco-luxury design. You no longer have to choose between sustainability and sophistication. They're all becoming one and the same. And I've seen firsthand how this combination is transforming homes across the country. Let's dive into the trends that are making waves in 2025. First up is Biophilic design. I think I'm saying that right. And if you didn't know what that means, I didn't either the first time I saw it. According to the web, Biophilic design refers to incorporating natural elements into built environments to enhance physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's more than just adding a few plants into your space. We're talking about living walls that purify your air naturally and smart skylights that adjust throughout the day to optimize your exposure to natural light. Beyond just smart home technology, 2025 introduces interactive home assistants capable of more personal interactions, learning from your habits to manage your household. Imagine an assistant that not only controls your lights and security, but also helps you plan your day. Next, multifunctional spaces are revolutionizing how we live. With modular furniture and movable partitions, your home office can transform into a guest room in minutes. More and more people are wanting their home office spaces to actually be usable for other things in addition to a work area. The energy efficient and energy smart updates are absolutely game-changing. Solar tiles have become so sophisticated that they're virtually indistinguishable from regular roofing. Pair that with home batteries and smart HVAC systems, and you're looking at energy bills that could potentially be cut in half. Wellness-focused features are taking center stage. Air purification systems and circadian lighting aren't just luxuries, they're becoming essential for modern living. Your home should support your health, and these features do exactly that. With wellness being a prime focus, advanced home gyms will become a staple in renovation plan. These spaces are equipped with virtual reality fitness programs and smart equipment that adjusts settings automatically based on the user's progress and health tracking data. I saw some early stages of this in my father's healthcare treatments over the past few years. Amazing. Speaking of style, English-style kitchens are making a huge comeback. With rich wood cabinets paired with moody blues and deep greens, absolutely stunning. And when it comes to materials, sustainable materials like recycled wood and bamboo flooring aren't just eco-friendly, they're gorgeous too. Just imagine refrigerators that help you plan your meals by suggesting recipes based on what's inside, and ovens that can precisely cook meals based on a digital recipe. I could have used that for my chocolate chip cookies yesterday. High-tech kitchen appliances will revolutionize how we prepare food. And as more people strive to be self-sustaining, urban garden design integrated into homes will rise in popularity. These small-scale farms can be fitted into balconies, rooftops, equipped with smart soil sensors and hydroponic systems for efficient food production. And then there's the resurgence in the Art Deco and Bauhaus influences we're seeing. Bright pops of primary colors combined with abstract geometric forms and shapes. These geometric patterns and functional forms from the 20s and 30s, they're back and better than ever. Expect to see homes with designs that emphasize a fluid transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding or folding glass doors, outdoor kitchens, and even outdoor home offices will become popular as the distinction between inside and outside blurs. Hey, if you're loving these insights, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. I share new renovation tips every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let me share something that could save you thousands in your renovation. Our home renovation and remodeling toolkit course isn't just another online program. It's your secret weapon for saving 20 to 30% on your project costs. I've packed it with real case studies, step-by-step guides, tools, as well as examples from my 3 decades in the industry. Want to know which renovations give you the best return on your investment in 2025? Our exclusive step-by-step renovation checklist walks you through everything you need to know. I've seen too many homeowners make costly mistakes with contractors, and I don't want that to happen to you. Ready to transform your home? Here's what you need right now. First, grab your free 2025 renovation checklist using the link below. This isn't just any checklist, it's the same one I use for 6-figure renovation projects. Connect with me on social media for daily tips and inspiration. I'm always sharing behind-the-scenes look at current projects and answering questions from our community. And here's something special. I'm offering a free consultation to discuss your renovation plans. Yes, you heard that right. Totally free. No sales, no anything. Message me using links below. Let's talk about your goals and how to achieve them without breaking the bank. Remember, your dream home is within reach, and you've got a 30-year renovation veteran in your corner. Just click the subscribe button, download your checklist, and let's start this exciting journey together.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.